login in Neverness to Everness working solutions. 1. Check internet and disable VPN. Turn off VPN proxy, switch network, Wi-Fi mobile data, restart router. Google login often fails due to region IP mismatch. 2. Clear cache, very important. On PC, close NTE launcher, press WinR, type, you can see the code in our conversation history. Find NTE launcher folder, delete cache temp files. On Android, settings, apps, NTE, storage, clear cache. And #3, re-login Google account. Remove your Google account from browser device. Add it again, then try login in NTE. #4, sync date and time. Go to system settings, enable automatic date and time. Wrong time equals Google Auth fails instantly. 5. Use default browser, set Chrome Edge as default browser, avoid login via unsupported browsers. 6. Update everything. Update NTE launcher, browser, Google Play services, Android. 7. Disable antivirus firewall PC, temporarily disable security software. Try login again, some antivirus block Google authentication. 8. Try different login method. Use email login, guest account. Then link Google later from settings. 9. Server issue common. Sometimes NTE servers are overloaded. Wait 15 to 60 minutes and retry. Quick fix, most effective. Turn off VPN plus sync time plus clear cache, retry login. This fixes the issue 90% of the time. SEO titles. 1. Fix NTE Google login.